Oh my goodness. Woo! Yeah. It's the Smokey and Kinnicky show. Yeah. On a Sunday. Kinnicky. Ooh. Ooh. Smokey. Who has to go potty? Mmm. Peek, 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 peek. Damn is right, Kinnicky. What's she doing? Kinnicky. Smokey just said your name, honey. Yeah. Aw. Smokey. Peekaboo. Peekaboo, Kinnicky. I know. My Smokey. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Smokey. Kinnicky. How's Kitty go? Good girl, Kinnicky. Smokey. How's Kitty go? Ow. That's really. Is that how Kita sounds? Kita sounds like that. Oh. Oh. Anybody want to do a rooster? Peekaboo. Listen to all the kisses. And a monkey. And a soda can. I got kisses from Kinnicky. And Smokey. And Mika. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Jolly Fred. Jolly Fred, are you going to get into it too? You're still not completely comfy with the camera. Yeah. Kinnicky. How's the train go? Tell me how a train goes. Come on. Oh my. I don't even know what I don't even know what that was. Oh. Wow. Wow. You two are wound up. Yeah. Is it because the Steelers are playing? Is it? Smokey and Kinnicky show. Who wants to dance today? Hmm? Good monkey. Good monkey, Smokey. Kinnicky. How's Kitty go? Not a soda. Smokey. How's a kitty go? How's a kitty? You guys are ignoring me. It's supposed to make me feel better. Do you know Mommy has a boo-boo? Yeah. She has torn her Achilles heel. Ugh. So I can barely do anything. And it's making me crazy. I can feed babies. Smoke less? Really? Who's the prettiest girl in the whole wide world? Huh? Who has the prettiest girls in the whole wide world? Yeah. I love you. Kinnicky. I love you. Kinnicky, do you love me too? You're scratching. You got an itchy. What? Who's gonna dance? Should I sing? Oh no, I can't. You know why? Because every time Mommy sings, or there is music in the background, it gets copyrighted. Yeah. And that's stinky. I mean... Because I don't make a lot of money off the videos, but I do a little. Yeah. And where do all these videos go? They go on to YouTube. Yeah. Yeah. So that's what I think. I think we're excited. Because the Pittsburgh Steelers game. Everybody's listening. Everybody's listening. Kinnicky. Kinnicky. You gonna say anything? You gonna say anything for Mama? You're preening, aren't you? Yeah. That's when you're quiet, is when you're preening. Good Nikki. I bet you would turn around if I offered you a cookie, though. And you'd stop preening. Yes, you would. You would. You're so beautiful, Kaniki. I am very fortunate. I'm very blessed and fortunate to have two of the best African Greys in the whole wide world. Kaniki was first. Yeah. And then came Smokey. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching. This is how I guess this video is going to end. Yes, you did hear me right. I tore my Achilles heel. But I have wonderful help with the birds. And I'm trying to keep my foot up. I'm trying to do no weight bearing. Minimum 4 weeks. And then I can start walking a little bit the last 4 weeks. But it's really hard. I'm not happy. So, and I have to wear a silly little thing on my foot. And it hurts. And it's painful. Very painful. Let's see if I can show it without. Ooh, that's a close-up. Yeah, it's very painful. Don't want to show too much of, anyways, it's all the way up, but there you go. Excuse the laundry. And if you're watching this because you want to see if it's an update on the babies, don't forget my PayPal is available to put deposits for babies. And I have all kinds of babies and hand feeding them, and I do ship. My Facebook is KikuandHoshiDumont. And as usual, thanks for watching. I really think I'm gonna start a Smokey and Kaniki show. Or Kaniki and a Smokey show. Because these two together are a riot. Hard to get a word in edgewise. Ah! Oh, and Halloween's coming up, too. Ooh. Spooky. Maybe I should be a pirate this Halloween. Kaniki. Kaniki. I could put you on one shoulder and Smokey on another. Yeah. All right. Share, share, share. These guys are wonderful. These guys are just perfect. So if you have somebody you know that needs a chuckle and that likes birds, there you go. See ya.